We're on MacArthur Island. Look at the Canada geese, everybody. Look at those guys go. Wow, over the beautiful trees. Wow. They gone. They gone. Again, they gone. Can you guys see the face on that tree? You look up the center of the trunk, and there's one face that looks a little bit maybe like an animal or a cat or something. You go up a little further, there's like an eyeball. And then a little further up from that, there's like an eyeball with an eyebrow. And then the big arms. It's like that tree is like it wants to give me a big hug. I don't know if that picks up. I hope that picks up in the film. I'll just sound really crazier than usual, right? Check it. See? Look. See? You see? Oh. Yeah, this is the disc golf course. Hole number 7. Disc golf. Coursing through my veins. Coursing through my veins. Disc golf. Can you hear me now? That's like a maple tree. You guys see that? That's like a maple tree, kind of. I don't know, is it? What kind of tree is that? Oops. Sorry, bud. I don't know, it's hard to tell with these. No, it's not. I don't know what kind of tree that is. It's nice, anyway. Wow, look at this whole tree. Look at all the cones on it, but it's not doing well. It's done. Wow. Wow. The ground is soft in here. Panoramic vista for you, my friends. Weeping willow reminds me of my youth. Right? You'd pretend these were vines, you'd grab a bunch of them, right? And you'd hang from them. Probably. I don't know if I want to try it now. And look at the base. You can come right up in the base here, the big base on this. Look at this. Just come right up in here, man. Right into the tree. We're actually off the ground. We're in the tree, man. That's a big tree. You see that? How big that tree is? I think all these trees have had haircuts, haven't they? Look how they're so nicely trimmed, like so trimmed, right? Look at, they're just not quite trimmed enough for me. Oh, we got the authorities coming. They're coming after us, watch. Here they are. Maybe they can't see me. The dreaded city of Kamloops. Let's get out of here before they catch wind of us. Let's go. Look at that wind picking up the sand down there. It's wicked, right? Take a look. Let's just look at the sand. Look at that. You can see there's lots of Canada geese out there. They're way out there, all those little speckles. Look at that wind. There'd be no need to rub sand in your eyes. It would just be in your eyes, my friends. Isn't that nice? And then over there, we have the marijuana factory. See all those big buildings over there? 10 billion cubic yards of marijuana hemp produced annually. Ask Billy Bob Thornton on that one. Fetch! Down by the river. Oh, somebody had a little bivouac there. Wow, the water's low. Oh, witch. Look at that. Oh, it smells bad down here. Yeah, wow, that water's shallow. You probably walk over to the island. That's an island over there. I was just having these weird feelings out here. It's kind of unsettling, right? Spent most of my life here in this city, and I was just feeling those winds feel exactly the same, right? You know, the mountains are still there, right? Still the familiar valleys of air. Like everybody's hometown, it hasn't always been the kindest town to them, but it is, everyone's got a hometown, don't they? Let's roll. What are you guys looking for? This brother's hanging around the bin here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you guys gonna fly? Chicken of me? Huh? You guys? No? What about you? Oh, here's some more. Some guys in the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a bunch of crows down by the water too. Oh, there's more over here. Go. Another 3, 1, 2, 3. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Wow, look at them all. Okay, wow. Okay, enough of that. Let's go. Don't forget. Canada geese. Delicious, delicious endangered birds. For you birdies eaters. Oh, here's some more. Come on, bro. The classic V. Then we got a couple old birds down that way. Check it. Wow, they're everywhere. Look over here. I'm just gonna pan around here. Can you guys see? Look on this side. Not just the crows. That field over there is completely full of those Man, you could feed a lot of families with that sacred bird, couldn't you? Feed them a bunch of meat, delicious meat and feathers and beak. Fellas, what you got there, brother? What you got there, brother? Look at them all. What you got there, man? Look at them all. What's they doing? Oh, look what we got. We got some duck. We got a duck. What else we got over here? Look at all these birds, man. I was just thinking, you know, maybe they're not like the Thailand crows, but maybe they are. You're not going to come for me, are you, brother? I see a nest up there. There's a nest up in there. That's not your nest. You going to get me? You might, eh? What about you guys, ducks? This is fun down here with all the birdies. Look at them all. Oh, here we got some coming in for a landing. Whee, look at them come. Look at all of them. Can you see them? Hi, Ivor. What's going on, man? Hmm?